Hey guys, Jesse here with Bona Fine Homes and Estates. And here we are once again starting another project. We're out in Syosset. If you see the staircase behind me, we're gonna remove the entire thing, start from scratch, and give her a beautiful modern staircase. See the rail here? And we're gonna change all baseboards and trims. We're really modernizing the space because staircase is a focal point. So can't wait to show you the finished product. The top of the steps, guys, you see. This is what it looks like here. I wanted you to see how it's gonna look afterwards. So you see the details, how this was mounted. It's gonna be completely different. So modern, it's gonna look beautiful. Can't wait to show you. Hey guys, just wanted to show you how the stairs are coming out. How would you like to have the coolest steps ever? The coolest staircase. Look at that. Does that not look beautiful? And I have one more thing to show you. Look at that. Incredible, huh? How well lit. It looks beautiful. So, if you're looking to redo your staircase or any other work, reach out. This is how we help our clients resell at much higher prices.